Hello, this is Tosh Tyres. I've got a Vauxhall Insignia here, 1.6 diesel. Basically, I've just done an oil service on this, as well as an MOT as well. And just going to show you how to reset the service light. It's quite a simple procedure on this one, this particular model. So it's quite easy, and it's quite easy on how to do it. We'll just show you. Now, what you need to do is switch the ignition on. As you can see right there in the middle, it says change engine oil soon. You now then, there's these buttons here. What you want to do is press OK. Then on the left here, you've got, if you press left, you've got the information. And let me just zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, you've got the information, audio, phone, navigation and options. What you want to do is you want to go into info and then scroll down till you get to the oil. Even you get the pressure here as well, which is good. I'll get the pressures checked in a minute. Then you press right, press and hold the button till it resets. Let go of the button. It says, are you sure? I'll say yes. Now it's 100%. So if I switch the ignition off, take the keys out, start the car up, and it's lovely. No more warning. Ignition off again, switch the car on. I won't see the warning anymore. Start the car up. No more oil warning lights on now. So anything else you need to know on this particular model, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. And we do have a Vauxhall playlist as well, plus service reset playlist and all the other bulbs and everything you can check out on Vauxhall, how to do it. And please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video as well. Thank you very much. Goodbye.